I'm going to use Golden products only. They shipped me a box to try them out, and I'm going to use, they shipped me the gloss and the matte pouring medium. I'm going to use matte today just for the heck of it. I don't usually like matte, but I can always put a clear coat on it when I seal it. So I'm using titanium white, Prussian blue hue, teal, diarylide yellow, that's a hard one to say, green gold, naphthol red light. This is going to be totally different from what I'm used to because this is 10 parts to 1 part. So I'm going to pour just enough of what I think I need to do this pour, because I'm not used to using 10 parts to 1 part. I'm usually using 1-to-1 ratio. This is going to be a little different for me. I'm making more of the white than I am the other colors. So I don't know how many parts this is. I should measure, but I'm not. We'll just see if it mixes up how white it looks, but it looks pretty white there. And it did mention if you use more than 1 part to 10 parts that you might have some cracking. I'm going to speed through mixing the other colors here. Alright, so I'm done mixing. The paint pours very steady off the stick in a nice stream. Very, very unique and nice consistency. Different from when you use Floetrol and acrylics. Very different. So I do have more of the white, and I've got it mixed here. Okay, so I am totally missing the first 20 minutes of my video that I recorded. So I'm just kind of filling you in on what I did on this video. I used the gloss medium on this video. I added to the other colors that I mixed, I added another 4 colors: primary cyan blue, Hansa yellow medium, quinacridone magenta, and pyrrole orange. But I totally deleted the first portion of the video. I did a sink strainer spin with the colors layered into a cup, and it kind of came out muted and a little bit on the blended side. The colors were so fluid, and so I then chose to add the brush strokes and the blowing of the different teal colors, and I mixed white in with my teal and mixed white in with the magenta, and then used magenta by itself. So I just kept adding colors until I kind of got it where I wanted it. It dried super glossy. The painting is glossy, so you don't have to seal it, which is really nice. Yeah, it's a little different from pouring with Floetrol and acrylics. So here's the rest of the video coming your way. Thank you. So maybe I shouldn't have tried the spinning, I don't know. Just keep playing. So I like the magenta added to it. This definitely has an odor to it that I am not used to with Floetrol. So I'm just pointing that out with the golden fluids. There is an odor. I may should have just left well enough alone. I don't know. Just making it into an arrangement of something. Okay, I am finished. I'm going to leave it be. It is definitely different from my usual thing, but I always love florals, and so it's not floral, but it's kind of plant-like, abstract. So there it is. I'll turn it this way so you can kind of get the full view of the canvas. This is the gloss medium, so I expect it to dry glossy. So I'm going to put it away. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out the links below the video where it says show more on your laptop or computer, or the down arrow on your mobile device. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.